Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to design professional, high-converting emails in Canva following the latest, most effective methods for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create beautiful, clickable email newsletters that not only look impressive, but are also ready to send and convert your readers into customers or loyal fans. Whether you're working on a business newsletter, personal announcement, or any sort of email campaign, you'll see just how quick and fun this process can be. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through each step. First, head over to Canva. Just open up your browser and type in canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it's a straightforward sign up and you can get started for free. Once you're on the homepage, look for that friendly Create a Design button in the upper right corner. Give it a click. Canva will prompt you with a handy search bar. Just type email right there. This tells Canva you want to make something specifically for email rather than a poster, flyer, or social media graphic. Next, you'll see an option pop up called Email Newsletter. Go ahead and select that. This ensures the size, formatting, and proportions are just right for most email clients, helping you avoid those frustrating issues where a design looks great on your screen but breaks in someone else's inbox. It's a small detail that makes a big difference when you want your emails to look polished everywhere. Now you'll see a huge library of templates appear. This is where Canva really shines. Take a few moments to browse through the options. You'll find everything from bold, modern layouts perfect for sales to calm, minimalist designs that are perfect for updates or announcements. Pick a template that matches your brand or the tone of your message. Don't overthink it. You can tweak every detail in a moment. Once you've chosen your template, dive into editing. In just a few minutes, you can modify the content to your heart's desire. Click on text boxes to rewrite your header, body text, or calls to action. Add your logo by dragging it into Canva. Swap out images for your own or use Canva's massive collection of free images. Imagine you're setting the stage for your audience. Every color, font, and photo should reflect the mood and message you want to convey. Take your time here and really make it yours. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always undo changes or try another template with just a click. Now let's make sure your email is interactive. After all, a high-converting email should guide readers to take action. Adding links is easy in Canva. For example, let's link your news section. Simply highlight or click on your news header, then look for the little link icon up top. Click it and type in the URL, maybe news.com or wherever you want your readers to go. Hit done, and now that section is fully clickable. Do the same for other headers or call to action buttons. Maybe you have a shop now, contact us, or any spot where you want your audience to be able to click through. Take a moment to double check that each link works correctly. It's like checking that each door in your house opens to where it should. Once you're happy with your design and all the links, it's time to share your masterpiece or save it for sending. In the upper right, hit share and look for the option to download as a PDF. PDF is the way to go for most email providers since it keeps your formatting crisp and your links clickable. Save it to your computer and you're ready to upload it to your email provider or send it out to your contacts. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've created a polished, interactive email that's totally your own, all without the hassle of learning complicated design software. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment with any questions or thoughts you have. I'm always here to help. And if you want more tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Happy designing and good luck with your next email blast.